In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the best-selling products on Facebook Marketplace in 2025. Whether you're a seller looking to tap into the hot trends or a buyer wanting to snag some of the most sought-after items, this guide will set you on the right path. Let's dive in and discover the steps to easily identify these must-have products. To begin, you're going to head over to Facebook. If you're logged in, you'll notice the familiar navigation options on the left side of your screen. Scroll down and click on See More to access the full list of Facebook features. Among these features, you'll find Marketplace. Click on it and you'll immediately be transported into a world of buying and selling opportunities right on your Facebook app. Once you're in the Marketplace, you can either type in the product you're interested in or explore various categories. Typing the product in the search bar is straightforward and will bring up all the related listings. Alternatively, clicking on categories allows you to browse through a curated selection of items, which can be helpful if you're not sure what specific product you're looking for, but have a general idea of the category. Now that you've got the hang of navigating the marketplace itself, it's time to widen your search and explore trending products using Google Trends. Google Trends is a powerful tool for understanding what's popular at any given moment. Head over to the Google Trends website. Here you can input the specific product you're curious about. It'll show you how popular this product is over time and which regions have the highest interest, giving you valuable insight into whether a product is surging in popularity. After searching for your product, click on Explore. This feature gives you access to an in-depth analysis of product trends over various periods and locations. You'll be able to see how the interest in specific products is increasing or decreasing, which is crucial for predicting potential bestsellers. Once you've explored the trends, you'll find a selection of related topics and queries on the page. These can be invaluable in discovering what other items or variations people are searching for in relation to your product. This can lead to a goldmine of potential new bestsellers that you might want to consider. In conclusion, by using Facebook Marketplace to explore current listings and complementing that with insights from Google Trends, you can effectively identify the best-selling products of the moment. Whether it's through browsing specific categories or analyzing trending data, both platforms provide you with the information needed to make informed decisions as a buyer or seller. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in your journey to find the best-selling products on Facebook Marketplace. Remember to like and subscribe for more insightful guides, and I'll see you in the next video.